Hello everyone. Today we will be making a variety dessert. All the ingredients used are very easily available in the supermarkets. We'll be using 1 medium beetroot, 2 teaspoons of butter, half a cup of semolina, 1/3 cup of sugar, and a cup of milk. First we'll grind the beetroot to a paste in a food processor or a grinder. I have made the paste here. Now I'll be cooking this beetroot paste with milk in a pressure cooker. You can use a saucepan if you don't have a pressure cooker and cook it for about 5 minutes. Now the beetroot is cooked very well. Now let's transfer the whole mixture to a frying pan. Let's add in 1 teaspoon of butter and keep on stirring it. When it starts boiling, we'll add in the semolina and the sugar and keep on stirring it. Make sure to stir it continuously. Now that the mixture has reduced very well and the semolina is cooked, we will add in the remaining butter to it. Keep on stirring for some more time. The consistency we are looking for is when the mixture starts to leave the edges of the pan. Our dish is ready now. This is a very delicious dessert. Please do try it and let me know your comments in the comment box. So until we meet again, bye.